Hi, I wanted to talk to you today about bottle refusal. The ideal time to introduce a bottle to a breastfed baby is between 3 and 6 weeks of life, and I know how frustrating it can be when baby's refusing to take that bottle. So I'm gonna go over a couple quick tips on how we can avoid or even solve that problem of bottle refusal. Number 1, let your baby play with an empty bottle. Have it around, let them see it, touch it, mouth on it, just have it available for them to see. Number 2, try having somebody else give baby a bottle. So baby's used to having the comfort of mom's breast, so we want to have her leave the area and have partner or trusted family member try to give that bottle to baby. Number 3, we want to try offering the bottle when baby isn't hangry. So try between feeds when baby's a little more calm. Imagine being super hungry and then trying to figure out feeding from a new contraption. It's going to be really difficult. So let's do it when baby's nice and calm and isn't looking for a full feeding right away. Number 4, try different places and different sounds. Some babies respond to different environments, so you may want to try a dark room with some white noise. You may want to try going outside where there's a lot of distraction, and movement can help too. So wearing baby in a carrier or even just bouncing them while you're trying can help. And number 5, try out different bottles, different shapes, different flows. Baby may respond better to one, so give those a try. Those are our quick tips for helping with bottle refusal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope this helps.